Where's Buddy? Where's Ewan?
He's sinking fast.
I got it.
Alright, go get the pumpkin bed. Yeah. Good. Keep digging.
I'm gonna dig up this.
Is there one in there? I don't know if there is one in there.
No, that's the bushes. We gotta clean the bushes.
Alright, we don't have any dead bodies back here, do we?
No,
Okay, just kidding.
I need a pumpkin bag.
yeah, those are pumpkin bags.
I'm digging into this one.
Okay.
I'm ready to get this one out.
Alright, do it.
Let's clean it.
Rescue the pumpkin.
Let's clean it. I'm rescuing the pumpkin bag, Dada.
Alright, rescue the pumpkin.
I'm rescuing it. Yay.
Yay. This poor bush.
Is that a bush? I don't know what anything is anymore.
Dada, can you help me get it out?
Almost.
This one, huh?
Okay, guy.
Get out the bush. Oh,